peeps, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be doing my January sewing plans, and it's the 12th of January and I'm going on holiday on the 17th, so I have very few days to get these done. Totally doable, it'll be fine. Right, so I have a pile of fabrics next to me and I'll just do them in the order that they come up. So the first one that I have is this khaki greeny knit that I got from the Textile Centre. This is actually going to be the thing that I do last because I have a cardigan that my mum's knit for me that's very similar in colour, and I'm planning on making the McCall's M7289, the version A or B if I've got enough fabric, but it does say it needs nearly 3 meters and I've only got 2. So yes, I'm going to make myself one of these, a little cropped cardigan, and the whole of this month's sewing is kind of based around the 8577 shirt dress that I made in the Savannah cotton lawn. So yeah, this will go really nicely with that. So that's the first one, and then next I have some corally pink sweater knit that I got again from the Textile Centre. This one I have much more of, so I will definitely be able to do view B, which is the longer sleeves, because I'm going to make the same pattern, the M7289. And yeah, so I will be able to make the longer sleeves with the cuffs with this one for definite. And I really like this one, and it works really well with the Savannah crepe, which I do have in my stash. Yeah, I made the 8577 out of the lawn version of this, and then I saw that they did it in crepe and I had to get it. And I have to say, I love the lawns, but the brightness fades the first time you wash them, so they're one of those ones that I'm going to wash as infrequently as possible. But yes, I got this. This has been washed, and obviously it doesn't crease as much because it's polyester crepe, and it's just much more vibrant than the lawn. But as you can see, this kind of works really well with these leaves. I'll put close-ups in of these for you so you can have a look. But I have, I think, 4 and 2. I got it in 2 separate lengths because I was going to make the Nina Lee Q dress out of this, which needs 3.5 meters, and then I thought, well, I already have a shirt dress in this fabric, so I'm going to make myself a 5-panel circle skirt which is 29 inches long. And I'm also going to make, and I don't have a pattern for that because it was kind of like it's a self-drafted one from the By Hand London circle skirt app, so which I will be doing a tutorial on, but just not with this one because I have no time. But I'm also going to make myself a top, and it's going to be the McCall's 6563 top, and I'm going to be doing view A, maybe view C with the little tabs on it. I'm not 100% sure on that. I like that detail though, so maybe. But yes, either view A or view C of this in this fabric, because I just like the idea of it looking like a dress when I was wearing it and it being defined at the waist, and because of the circle skirt, so I can tuck this one in, but then this would also look equally cool over skinny jeans, tucked into trousers, funnily enough, that kind of thing. So yeah, top and a skirt out of the Savannah crepe from Lady McElroy. I think I got this from, I want to say Guthrie and Garney, I think. There are lots of places that stock it though, so yeah, highly recommend the crepe version of this print. Beautiful. I got this, which is called Flipper, and it's a suiting weight fabric from the Fabric Room, and it does have a little bit of stretch in it, and I thought I would make myself a pair of the wide-legged trousers that I put on the bottom of all of my jumpsuits, and I've made a couple of pairs of trousers out of it as well, because I like the idea of wearing those two together, and it also, I think, works really well with this and the first knit that I showed you in the khaki green colour. So I'm going to make myself some wide leg trousers from this stuff. They do still have this, and I will link it in the description bar down below, and it feels really nice. It's really weighty, and it's weighty but with nice drape, and it has a slight stretch to it as well, so it should be very comfortable to wear. So wide leg trousers. And then finally, well, not finally, but finally that I think I'm going to get done, well, I know I'm going to get done, is this cream textured silk that I got from the Goldhawk Road when Mum and I went to the knitting and stitching show last March. And there's loads of this, there's about 4 meters, because I actually bought it with a client in mind to make a shirt, but we never got around to that. So I'm going to steal it for myself. Half of this is Mum's, half of this is mine, and I am going to make another one of these tops because I think it will go really nicely with the skirt and with the trousers and with the skinny jeans I plan on taking. So yeah, I'm going to make myself one of those. And the things that I'm making are all fairly easy, straightforward sews that I know aren't going to take me too long. So the fact that I have Sunday, Monday and Tuesday to do it, the 14th, the 15th and the 16th, yeah, hopefully I should get all of these things done. As I say, I've kind of got an order in my head of what I want to have when I go, and the tops and the trousers and the skirt, I think it's going to be that order, and then the jumpers, and as I say, the khaki one last, because Mum's already knit me a little shrug that will go very well already, so I don't necessarily need the khaki one, but it would be a nice option to have, because although it's going to be about 21 degrees, it's going to be quite windy in Lanzarote, so sunny but windy, and I always feel the cold, so it would be nice to have a few more layering pieces. But yeah, excited about that one. And then I have this in this pile. It's not going to get done before I go on holiday. I know it's not, because I need to alter the pattern, but this is that rayon, tensile rayon that I got from Australia, and when I saw it, it just goes so well with that colour palette. It has that kind of pinky colour in it, the green, the cream, and it brings in the yellow and things like that. So again, that could be quite cool to make some t-shirts when I come back. But this, I have 5 meters of this, and it's always been destined to be a sew over at Eve dress. And my green viscose challis version is lovely, but I don't need to have that extra room at the top. So when I traced that pattern out, I graded between a size 10 at the top and an 8 at the waist, and I think I can just do a straight 8 because I think the top was just that little bit too big for me. So yeah, I'm going to basically copy the lady that I saw on Instagram, and I can't remember her name, but I will put her details in the description down below. But she lives in Australia and I live in the Isle of Wight, so it's not likely that we will bump into each other wearing the same dress. And yeah, she has amazing style, so I thought yes, this would look really cool as a sew over at Eve dress. And because there's probably going to be about 2 meters left over, I'm going to make a top. I'm going to make a top out of it as well. So yes, either A or C, I think. I mean, actually B is kind of growing on me, and I do in theory like D, but I just know I will wear A and C much more often. So yeah, that's what that's destined to be. So how many things is that? I mean, that's 2, but they're not really going to happen before I go. So 1 top, pair of trousers, so that's 2, second top 3, skirt 4, cardigan 5, cardigan 6. 6 things. 6 things in 3 days. I don't need sleep. Who needs sleep? Wish me luck. I will get some of this done. I mean, I know I'm not going to get all of it done. I know. Yeah, I know I'm not going to get all of these done. I would love to. I would absolutely love to, but I know that's probably very unlikely that I will get all of them done. I may sort of finish loads of bits and pieces, and then if there's any hand sewing, I might pack myself a little hand sewing kit and take that on holiday with me, with all the pieces that just need hand sewing to finish them, because it's going to be a very relaxing holiday. We're not going to be like running around like crazy things. It's going to be sort of sun, chill, reading, playing cards, that kind of thing. But I'm very much looking forward to it. I haven't been abroad for ages, so yeah. Wish me luck, and I will be doing a kind of lookbook, a daily lookbook while I'm out there, if the outfits are worth it. Maybe not daily, maybe when we go out and see people kind of thing, but I will be doing a lookbook while I'm out there, and I will obviously bring that to you when I come back, and I'm back on the 1st of February, so you have that to look forward to. But yeah, I need to get sewing. Anyway, if you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, please subscribe, and I will see you again very soon. Bye.